today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here, you just click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Come here to display like here are text patches. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean display like our text patches disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.